In this video, I'll break down the top 5 hiking shoes and which shoes I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, are the best hiking shoes and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Merrell Moab 3. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels as a versatile hiking shoe, offering a combination of comfort, durability, and reliable performance on various terrains. One of its standout features is the Vibram TC 5 Plus outsole, which provides exceptional grip on everything from wet rocks to loose dirt, making it a dependable choice for rugged trails. The lug depth of 4.8 mm enhances traction while effectively shedding debris, ensuring stability even in muddy or uneven conditions. The upper construction blends pig suede leather and breathable mesh, offering a balance between durability and ventilation. For waterproof versions, the shoe incorporates either Gore-Tex or Merrell's proprietary membrane, both of which perform well in keeping feet dry during creek crossings and light rain. However, the waterproof models trade some breathability for this protection, which could lead to warmer feet in hot weather. Comfort is another strong point of the Moab 3. The midsole features a super rebound compound that absorbs shock and reduces torque on uneven terrain, while the Merrell air cushion in the heel adds stability. The shoe's supportive insole and molded nylon arch shank contribute to all-day comfort, making it suitable for both day hikes and extended treks. Additionally, the wide toe box ensures ample room for natural foot movement and protection against trail hazards. Durability is reinforced by abrasion-resistant rubber caps on the heel and toe, as well as high-quality materials that withstand wear over time. The gusseted tongue keeps debris out effectively, adding to its trail readiness. At number 4, we have the Altra Lone Peak 9. The Lone Peak 9 stands out as a versatile and reliable hiking shoe, excelling in comfort, durability, and performance on rugged trails. Its MaxTrack outsole has been updated to provide excellent grip and durability, making it well-suited for tackling various terrains, from loose gravel to slick rocks. The outsole's aggressive tread pattern ensures confident footing even in challenging conditions. Complementing this is the Ultra Ego midsole, which strikes a balance between cushioning and ground connection, offering a comfortable yet responsive feel for long days on the trail. The upper of the Lone Peak 9 is crafted from ripstop mesh with seamless overlays designed for high-mileage durability. This material not only enhances the shoe's longevity, but also improves breathability, keeping feet comfortable during extended hikes. The shoe also incorporates Altra's signature foot shape fit, providing a roomy toe box that allows natural toe splay and reduces fatigue over long distances. For added protection, the Lone Peak 9 includes a stone guard insert, which shields against sharp rocks and debris without compromising flexibility. This feature is particularly useful for hikers navigating rocky or uneven trails. Additionally, the shoe is gator-ready with a hook and loop attachment system to keep out debris. While the Lone Peak 9 offers impressive durability and comfort, it is not inherently waterproof. However, its breathable design allows it to dry quickly if exposed to water. The zero-drop platform promotes a natural stride, which many hikers appreciate for its stability and support. At number 3, we have the Salewa Mountain Trainer Lite. The Mountain Trainer Lite excels in providing stability and support on rugged terrain, making it a standout choice for challenging hikes. Designed with alpine conditions in mind, it features a robust build that balances lightweight comfort with durability. The shoe's Pomoka outsole offers exceptional traction, particularly on wet rocks and loose surfaces, while its deep lugs enhance grip on muddy or uneven trails. This makes it a reliable option for technical hikes, scrambles, and off-trail adventures. The shoe's construction prioritizes protection and support. Its firm sole provides excellent underfoot stability, reducing fatigue on rocky paths or steep inclines. The climbing-inspired lacing system allows for precise fit adjustments, ensuring your foot stays secure even on tricky terrain. Additionally, the EVA midsole offers cushioning without compromising the shoe's overall rigidity, which is ideal for carrying heavier loads or navigating demanding routes. Waterproofing is another strong feature of the Mountain Trainer Lite. Equipped with a Gore-Tex membrane, it effectively keeps feet dry during rain or shallow water crossings, while maintaining breathability in warmer conditions. However, the low-cut design limits water resistance to about 3 inches of depth, so it is best suited for moderate wet conditions rather than prolonged exposure to deep water. Durability is where this shoe truly shines. The synthetic upper, reinforced toe cap, and abrasion-resistant TPU coating ensure it can withstand harsh environments with minimal wear over time. Even after extensive use on rocky and alpine trails, the shoe retains its structural integrity. At number 2, we have the Sportiva TX4 EVO. This is our runner-up pick and is a standout approach shoe that excels in durability, traction, and versatility, making it a reliable choice for technical terrain and long hikes. Its Vibram Mega Grip outsole, featuring a climbing zone at the toe and multi-directional lugs, provides exceptional grip on both wet and dry surfaces, including rock, mud, and snow. The impact brake system enhances control during descents on loose or steep terrain, offering confidence in challenging conditions. Constructed with a durable nubuck leather upper reinforced by a full rubber rand, the TX4 EVO is built to withstand rugged use. The leather naturally resists water effectively, allowing it to handle wet brush or light snow without compromising breathability. While it lacks a dedicated waterproof membrane, water beads off the surface well unless fully submerged or exposed to deep snow. This balance of water resistance and breathability makes it suitable for varied climates. The midsole combines stiffness with moderate flexibility, providing excellent support for scrambling and technical hikes while maintaining comfort over long distances. The shoe's ability to edge on small footholds and smear on slabs rivals that of climbing shoes, making it an excellent choice for those tackling mixed terrain. The leather upper conforms to the foot over time, delivering a snug fit without pressure points or hot spots. One of the shoe's key strengths is its durability. The TX4 EVO is designed for longevity, with features like resoling capability and high-quality materials that resist wear even after extensive use. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or embarking on multi-day treks, this shoe offers a dependable combination of comfort, grip, and protection. At number 1, we have the Salomon X Ultra 4. This is the best hiking shoe you can buy on the market and stands out offering a combination of excellent traction, waterproofing, and support. Its standout feature is the Gore-Tex membrane, which ensures reliable waterproofing while maintaining decent breathability. This makes it suitable for wet conditions, such as stream crossings or rainy hikes, although it may feel warm in hotter climates. The shoe's gusseted tongue further enhances its water resistance by preventing water and debris from entering. The traction on the X Ultra 4 is exceptional, thanks to its Conagrip outsole with deep angular lugs that grip securely on various terrains, from loose gravel to muddy trails. Whether navigating steep ascents or slippery descents, the outsole provides confidence and stability. The advanced chassis system adds to its stability by reducing the risk of ankle rolling while maintaining flexibility for natural foot movement. This balance between support and agility makes it feel almost like a trail runner while offering the durability of a hiking shoe. Comfort is another strong point. The midsole provides cushioning that absorbs impact without feeling overly soft, ensuring a smooth ride on long hikes. The fit is snug but supportive, though the narrower design might not suit those with wider feet. Minimal break-in time is required, and the shoe performs well right out of the box. Durability-wise, the X Ultra 4 holds up well over hundreds of miles on moderate terrain, though heavy use on rugged trails may cause wear on the upper materials and outsole lugs over time. Protective features like a reinforced toe cap and mudguard enhance its lifespan and shield against trail hazards. So that sums up my top 5 hiking shoes I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.